today at Chelle's Glam Home.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share my French Provincial Glam Dining Room Makeover. I hope you enjoy.
Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream, yeah.
So guys, I'm going to start above my shiplap wall in my dining room. This here is my peel and stick wallpaper. Now guys, I really love this design, but I just didn't feel happy with it purely because I felt like it wasn't glam enough. So I found another peel and stick wallpaper on Amazon which had this beautiful baby blue damask print. So what I did is I removed the white one first of all. Now guys, your girl Chelle tries anything once, and underneath the wallpaper I had tried a stencil, but as you can see I was not happy with it at all. So all I'm going to do here is just put the new wallpaper straight over the top. Sometimes when you decorate you have to do many challenges until you get it right, and I feel that this wallpaper was exactly what I needed. Now this gorgeous peel and stick wallpaper is by Spoonflowers. It's a woven wallpaper that is really easy to put on, guys, and the best part of all is if you don't like it in future years you can take it straight off. Now the wallpaper is super easy to put up, guys. It's just lining up the pattern, but it depends on the pattern that you choose, of course, but I was really loving how it came. Now once I'd finished the wallpaper, I actually headed off to Kmart. Now guys, I really love the French Provincial look, but mirrors are so expensive. But I've seen this mirror in Kmart and I knew for a little bit of money I could create the French Provincial look I was aiming for, and the mirror was the perfect size to go on the shelf in front of the wallpaper. Now, I had some of this decorative fretwork that I had from a previous project. I get these from eBay, but Amazon sells them as well. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to tape up the entire mirror, and then I'm going to take everything outside and give it 2 coats of gold spray paint. Now while everything was drying, I had this old glass vase and I've got some sticky tape on top where I've had some flowers in. What I'm going to do is remove the sticky tape, but I'm going to take it outside also and spray paint it black.
But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers.
Now once everything was dry, I removed the sticky tape and the cover for the mirror, and then what I'm going to do, guys, is hot glue that fretwork in place.
Without me, is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining right. Drown yourself in the neon. You came to this place to hide away in the dark.
I'm now going to take my black vase and I'm going to add some more sticky tape in the grid-like method. And I'm then going to add these beautiful flowers which are from Big W. Once it was completely full, I'm then going to add these pretty cream roses, which are from Kmart last year, and I'm just going to scatter a few through the top. I'm then going to start on my dining room shelf, and I added my gold DIY mirror. I absolutely love how this came. Now I then shopped my own home, guys, and I really love layering things. So I had some dollar store black frames and I just went through an old magazine and picked out 2 prints. Now I also had some old books and I shopped my own home for things that had a French provincial theme about them.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
Now guys, I was really excited to introduce some pops of black throughout my decor. I really love black in the French Provincial theme. I really think it stands out. I'm always excited to try a different colour. I tend to stick to pinks and blues, but I really wanted to have a pop of colour that really drew the attention. Even though I'm not a trained interior decorator, guys, I truly love spending hours and hours of my time scrolling through Instagram and Pinterest and studying different ways to give visual appeal when it comes to decorating my home. I love trying all different ways and seeing what works and what doesn't. That's the most important tip that I can give you guys, is that everything when it comes to decorating is trial and error. You may have a visual idea of what you think it's going to look like, but then you have to play around with it multiple times, and sometimes you will have failures, like I did with the stencil underneath the wallpaper. So just keep trying, guys. Everything evolves. It does take time, but you will get there.
Stop for us. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave.
Guys, I'm so incredibly happy with how this area came. I found this shelf above my dining room to be a very challenging area of my home. You've seen me style it in so many different ways, but I feel that this French Provincial look is what I've always been after. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves decorating my home. It's my true passion. Guys, I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. Now, if that's something that may interest you, I'd love most of all if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
혼자서만 노력하는 나 초라해지는 것 같아. Maybe you don't want 내 사랑 내겐 당연해졌는지 아님 내가 부족했는지. So maybe I should go. 그 끝을 알았다면 시작도 안 했을 텐데. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. A big shout out to you all. I just wanted to say thank you for being so patient with me. I didn't get this video out on Thursday like normal. However, I did aim to have it out by the weekend, and I'm so happy that I did. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I'll be back to my regular scheduling this week. So Thursday, 8:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I hope you're having a wonderful day, guys. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.